If your LD player is opening but showing a black screen, freezing, or not loading the Android interface, don't worry. This is a common issue caused by graphics settings, drivers, or virtualization conflicts. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix LDPlayer black screen issue step by step in 2026. First, restart your computer and try launching LDPlayer again. A simple reboot can often fix temporary system glitches causing the black screen. Next, right-click LDPlayer and select *Run as administrator ***. This ensures the emulator has full system access to load properly. Now check your graphics rendering mode. Open LDPlayer settings and switch between *DirectX** and OpenGL**. Sometimes changing the renderer fixes display issues immediately. If the black screen continues, update your graphics drivers. Go to your GPU control panel or official website and install the latest driver version for better compatibility. Next, make sure virtualization technology is enabled in BIOS settings. Without VT enabled, LDPlayer may fail to load properly or show a black screen. You should also disable conflicting Windows features. Turn off Hyper-V ***, Windows Hypervisor Platform ***, and Virtual Machine Platform ***, then restart your PC. Now clear LDPlayer cache or temporary files. Corrupted cache data can prevent the emulator interface from loading correctly. If that doesn't work, reduce resolution and DPI settings inside LDPlayer configuration, then relaunch the emulator. You can also try creating a new emulator instance if the current one is corrupted or broken. Finally, if nothing works, uninstall LDPlayer completely and reinstall the latest version from the official website to reset all settings. And that's how to fix LDPlayer black screen issue. Yeah, in most cases, switching graphics mode, updating drivers, or reinstalling the emulator will solve it quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.